Solar system, assemblage consisting of the Sun, an average star in the Milky Way galaxy, and those bodies orbiting around it, 8, formerly 9, planets with more than 400 known planetary satellites, moons, many asteroids, some with their own satellites, comets and other icy bodies, and vast reaches of highly tenuous gas and dust known as the interplanetary medium. The solar system is part of the observable universe, the region of space that humans can actually or theoretically observe with the aid of technology. Unlike the observable universe, the universe is possibly infinite. The Sun, Moon, and brightest planets were visible to the naked eyes of ancient astronomers, and their observations and calculations of the movements of these bodies gave rise to the science of astronomy. Today, the amount of information on the motions, properties, and compositions of the planets and smaller bodies has grown to immense proportions, and the range of observational instruments has extended far beyond the solar system to other galaxies and the edge of the known universe. Yet the solar system and its immediate outer boundaries still represent the limit of our physical reach, and they remain the core of our theoretical understanding of the cosmos as well. Earth-launched space probes and landers have gathered data on planets, moons, asteroids, and other bodies, and this data has been added to the measurements collected with telescopes and other instruments from below and above Earth's atmosphere and to the information extracted from meteorites and from moon rocks returned by astronauts. All this information is scrutinized in attempts to understand in detail the origin and evolution of the solar system, a goal toward which astronomers continue to make great strides. Located at the center of the solar system and influencing the motion of all the other bodies through its gravitational force is the Sun, which in itself contains more than 99% of the mass of the system. The planets, in order of their distance outward from the Sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. 4 planets, Jupiter through Neptune, have ring systems, and all but Mercury and Venus have one or more moons. Pluto had been officially listed among the planets since it was discovered in 1930 orbiting beyond Neptune, but in 1992 an icy object was discovered still farther from the Sun than Pluto. Many other such discoveries followed, including an object named Eris that appears to be at least as large as Pluto. It became apparent that Pluto was simply one of the larger members of this new group of objects, collectively known as the Kuiper Belt. Accordingly, in August 2006 the International Astronomical Union, IAU, the organization charged by the scientific community with classifying astronomical objects, voted to revoke Pluto's planetary status and place it under a new classification called dwarf planet. Any natural solar system object other than the Sun, a planet, a dwarf planet, or a moon is called a small body. These include asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. Most of the more than 1 million asteroids, or minor planets, orbit between Mars and Jupiter in a nearly flat ring called the asteroid belt. The myriad fragments of asteroids and other small pieces of solid matter, smaller than a few tens of meters across, that populate interplanetary space are often termed meteoroids to distinguish them from the larger asteroidal bodies. As we look up at the night sky, remember that our solar system is not just a collection of celestial bodies, but a dynamic, evolving home in the vast expanse of the Milky Way. Asterisk and Sir, this magnificent solar system, a vibrant tapestry of planets, moons, and stars, stands as a constant reminder of both our humble place and our incredible potential to understand the cosmos.